But I actually have a fairly defined waist. Now, the thing that I'm struggling with this is that I have to go back, I have to take it all off because I mismeasured this area. This is way too long for me. I am not that tall in the waist. I am actually fairly short-waisted. It should be something like this before that waist stuff starts to kick in. So I'm gonna have to repad her, but I wanted to show you because I was so excited about the unboxing, and it took me a couple days to get this done, just a little bit here and there, but I think I might have enough energy here in the next couple days to take it all apart and start over. But I stole a lot of the padding off the other body double to get this far, and I'm just gonna go back and take her apart and put her back together again. Okay, so I've padded her out. I have checked measurements, checked it twice, checked it 3 times. I'm gonna put the cover on now. Cover doesn't like to cover my booty. So that's my shape. I am all hips, a little bit of boob. Let's see my stomach and my butt. I am a pear. Always been very hourglassy. I mean, I have hips. I've never, not since probably my freshman in high school, could I get in anything less than a size 5 pants. I have hips. I've always had hips. And then I had kids and I really have hips. So I like how the top cover really kind of smooths out the lines. What I also like is, you can't see it a lot, but the lines for the tape are still here. So now, one thing that this body double does not do is account for, I actually am 32 under bust. And to get a 32 under bust, I would have had to have bought a size 6 dress form, and I bought a size 8 dress form. And I'm gonna use my measuring tape to find my waist again. My waist is about 4.5 inches from my under bust. And this stretchy fabric, because I am a hourglass shape, it kind of doesn't really want to be tight to the form. So I'm gonna have to push on the tape a little bit to get it to stay down. And my back from my shoulder to my waist, to double check my measurements, is about 16.5. That's about right. 16.5. So these little dimples right here are my back waist seam. And this is my side. I'm pretty consistently 4.5 down from my under bust all the way to my waist, all the way around, which I know not everybody is, so I'm glad I have that. It's my hips that are one size up from the other, so not by a lot, but enough that corsets I have to have custom made. I can't seem to get my shape right with them. But I am not a corseteer, so there you go. Here we go, that's my waist. My waist bubbles, my waist dimples all the way across. I actually kind of like the way that looks. So I'm 36 here, 32 here naturally, and 20 with no waist cincher. I'm 30 here, but then I just get bigger. I go all the way up to a 46 in my hip. which I guess isn't all that unusual. It just, to me, feels like I'm really not very in proportion, but maybe I am. Maybe it's just my own internal like dialogue. So that's right, 10 inches from the shoulder to the nipples. I'm actually fairly narrow here. So when you measure a nipple to nipple, okay, so she's all done. I have a little bit of a mommy pooch right there. I mean, I guess it's not too bad, but I feel like I carry like 30% of my weight in my hips. Maybe that's not true, but that's how I feel. Okay, so she is taped and ready to go, and now I'm on to my next project.